Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating subtraction using place value. So I have my example 357 minus 135. Now we're going to be using place values, so we're going to break down each number into their appropriate place values, starting with our top number 357. So let's put this into place value formats first. We're starting with our hundreds place, in which we have 3. So we know that it's going to be 300. In our tens place, we have 5. So 5 groups of 10 gives us 50. So we're going to write plus 50. Now again, this plus sign will look confusing at first, but remember we're breaking this number down into place value format. We're still subtracting. So our final number for this is our ones place, which is 7. So we're going to put plus 7 here. Now let's move on to 135 and break that number apart. We have 1 in the hundreds place. So that is going to give us 100. And we have 3 in the tens place. So that is going to be 3 groups of 10, which is 30. And we have 5 in the ones place, which is simply going to be 5. Now again, we're not adding any of this, we're still subtracting in order to get our answer. So we are subtracting each place value here. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. 7 minus 5 is 2. And we're going to put a plus sign because we're still going to add this together to get our final answer. 50 minus 30 is 20. 300 minus 100 is 200. Now what we have here is our actual answer broken down into place value format. So we're going to add this together in order to figure out what our final answer is. 200 plus 20 is 220, plus 2 more is 222. So our complete final answer is 222. And that is how you use place value to subtract 3-digit numbers. If you guys enjoyed what you learned in this video today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any more videos.